Airfix fans, and welcome back to another episode of Retro Unboxings. On this festive special, we're looking at the Robins kit from 1979. The Robins are part of a wildlife series Airfix had back in the day. The range included bullfinches, blue tits, kingfishers, and even a little owl. Now let's look at the sprues inside the box. There's a few parts missing, but you can see the backside of a couple of robins. Some parts here that have fallen off the sprue, 2 head pieces. What do you think of the parts in this kit? Have they aged well? Let me know in the comments below. Distinctive by virtue of its bright red breast, the robin is Britain's national bird. It is resident all year long throughout the British Isles, except in Shetland, and its appearance in parks and gardens in the winter months has become synonymous with Christmas. In this set you can build a pair of robins on a holly branch. Finally, let's take a look at the instructions. On one side we have some facts about the robin, including an atlas which shows where robins are found. Very cool. Then on the reverse we have the instructions. Well, that was the Robins kit from 1979. Should Airfix bring back the robins? Let me know in the comments below. Have a very Merry Christmas, and we'll see you in the new year for another episode of Retro Unboxing.